Met Department states that due to the atmospheric disturbances in the vicinity of Sri Lanka, the adverse weather will continue for the next few days. Meanwhile, heavy showers were experienced in several parts of the island today.
This is the road leading up to the Waskamo National Reserve. This bridge was submerged as a result of the heavy showers experienced in the area. Several areas in the Ampara district was also submerged owing to the adverse weather. According to our correspondent in the area, heavy showers were reported this afternoon in the Ampara. Meanwhile, several roads in Vavuniya was also inundated. The Met Department meanwhile states that showers or thundershowers will develop over most parts of the island, particularly during the night. The department urges the general public to take adequate precautions to minimize the damages caused by lightning.